Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make 50 plus grams of protein tuna and egg breakfast at home cheap and quick. You're gonna need 4 eggs, tuna can, pepper, chili, garlic salt, soy sauce and slice of cheese. First you open a can of tuna a little bit and strain off the liquid. Then you heat up a pan with water. Add the tuna to a pan. Add the eggs. Add garlic salt, pepper, chili pepper, soy sauce. Mix it well. Mix until it's almost cooked. And now you can add the cheese. You also need to mix up the cheese so it melts better. Once the cheese has melted, it's all finished. You can eat it with a carrot or a cucumber. I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure to subscribe and check out my blog with the link in the description.